Manipur State Legal Services Authority MASLSA na shinduna ngasi Lamphel Court Complex to leiba ADR Building ki conference hall da Human Rights Day Cum Sensitization Program Pangthokhre Constitutional and Legal Rights of LGBTQ haiba thimda pangthokiba thoramadu da MASLSA ki Additional Member Secretary Bineshwari Maibam, Deputy Member Secretary Rashri Yambem, OSD Khangembam Rosita yauna MASLSA ki Panel Lawyer Legal Aid Defense Council amadi Paralegal Volunteer singna saryaki Supriyo Atopa Ming Supriya Chakraborty Amade Union of India ni ki marakta thengnaki case amada Supreme Court na pikiba direction sing paladuna MASLSA gi Member Secretary Elect Muibana hai Supreme Court na same sex luhongbada legal right pidrabasu LGBTQ community gi legal amasung constitutional rights sing ngangnaba direction piri adubu status da LGBTQ community gi myoi singda hanthana yengbibagi khudong chadaba amade adumak thengnare Supreme Court ki direction matungina LGBTQ community gi myoi singna masagi sexual orientation amade gender identity khangjabagi hak piri LGBTQ community gi myoi singna sexual harassment mayok na badanatana makoida lakna biba fazadaba wahiwata sizina biba amade thabakta gi lauthok piba yauna tongan ba khudong chadaba kaya mayoknare Kumjali Singani Taramathoi gi mikok thibagi matungina leibaga sida transgender lak mariga lising maripu leire adubu mamang thakta leiramba miyam gi mityeng aduga yengnabada ngasidi khara makai phagatle haina lawba yai LGBTQ community gi myoi singsu masagi right amasung identity khangjabagi changsu hengalakle masi constitution gi article 14 19 21 amade 25 ki makhada judiciary na piriba protection amasung right sing adunani Makoida Article 19 gi matungina freedom of speech and expression amade freedom to form association and assemble peacefully na chingba tongan ba right kaya pire masigi mathakta tongan ba scheme singi khudong chaba launaba amade enroll taunaba khonabada third gender oina register tawbagi khudong chaba su pire Maram aduna panel lawyer legal aid defense council amadi paralegal volunteer singna LGBTQ community gi myoi singda fanghaliba rights singa si mayek sena khangbaga loinana makoina mathau tarako matamda mapung phana legal aid fanghana ba khonamina bagi tangai fadaba lei makoi gi mathakta miyamna hanthana yengbiba amadi tathita oina tawbiriba singa si hantha hanaba media na su miyamda awareness pibiu haina mahangna haiki thoramadugi sarugama oina human rights law network ke director Rakesh Maihobam amasung Sathigi Assistant Director Randoni Larik Yengbamna laws relating to transgender person in India, a special reference to Manipur amadi needs and issues of gender and sexual diverse individuals experience from leg for GSM communities Haiba Hiram Singda resource person wina Wanganki.
Makoida discrimination si makhan dum lay haina haye. Besides physical sexual discrimination or violence against them. Makoida thabak shuba kumbada makoida thabak lawbi daba sumaina transgender were haibigi thabak shuram masu thabak tigi lothokpa promotion pi daba pramanda yum phara kumba pi daba aduga any welfare benefits kumba pi daba asidi yaroi adugi asikumba makoi rights sidi constitutional rights aduga legal rights sidi protect tawkani Pangthokhre haina Supreme sumaina direction tarakpani adugi maram oina akoi legal aid providers sing da ngasi se akoi orientation program sumaina makoina legal aid niba lakokanda makoina phajana prepare tawraka makoigi right to defend tawba yanaba haina koina ngasi gi sensitization program se human rights day ga loinana koi sinbani